Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to check for app updates in the Microsoft Store for Windows. Go to the Microsoft Store, go to Downloads in the bottom left-hand corner, and then it should automatically check for updates. As you can see, I have quite a few updates available. So I'm going to go Update All. If it doesn't automatically check for updates, you can click on Check for Updates in the top right-hand corner. Now wait for the apps to update. If you have a lot of them, it could take a while. I'm going to go ahead and pause this right here, and I'll restart the video once everything is updated, because this is going to take some time. Now, if the updates pause for any reason, simply click Update All again. Alright, so I've gone ahead and started the video again because as you can see it's almost done and it's going really fast right now. Once all the updates are done, they should be listed under Recent Updates. Now if you want to make sure that that's absolutely all of the updates, you can click Check for Updates again. Alright, so I guess there's some more updates. Right, so it's reopened. Now I'm going to go to Downloads, and it's still updating. And I'm going to try Check for Updates one more time. Now, I'm not really sure why there's so many updates because I literally just checked this yesterday and there was 0. But then today there's a whole bunch. Alright, so it looks like that's the end of the updates for today. So I'm going to go ahead and close the Microsoft Store. And that is how you check for app updates in the Microsoft Store on Windows. Be sure to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any future videos, and I will see you in my next video.